Question number 23. In a set of 4 consecutive odd integers, where the integers are ordered from least to greatest, the first integer is represented by x. The product of 12 and the fourth odd integer is at most 26 less than the sum of the first and third odd integers. Which inequality represents this situation? So over here we are talking about 4 consecutive odd integers. Now for example, if you think of odd integers, I am just giving an example. Let's say 3, 5, 7 and 9. What relationship do you observe? We see that if 3 is x, 5 will be x plus 2 and 7 will be x plus 4 and 9 will be x plus 6. So each time 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7, 3 plus 6 is 9. So this you have to remember. This is how we represent consecutive odd integers. So this is how we can represent. So it's given that the 4 odd integers are consecutive ordered from least to greatest and that the first odd integer is represented by x. So it follows that the second odd integer is represented by x plus 2, the third odd integer is represented by x plus 4 and the fourth odd integer is represented by x plus 6. Therefore, the product of 12, now first it says the product of 12 and the fourth odd integer. What will that be? It will be 12 and the fourth is x plus 6 is at most 26. At most 26 less than the sum of the first and the third odd integers. So that means now we need to also see what is the sum of the first and the third odd integers. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth. So if you are talking about the sum of the first and the third, x plus x plus 4. This will be the sum of the first and third which they are talking about over here. So now let us combine this and write the inequality. So at most in mathematical form is less than or equal to. So we have to take the product of 12 and x plus 6 because the product of 12 and the fourth odd integer is 12 times x plus 6 is at most. Now we will put the less than or equal sign and we will take sum of the first and the third odd integers which is represented here. X plus 4. It is 26 less than the sum of this. So that means we have to subtract 26 also from this. Now we have to match it to one of these answer choices. We can see that it is matching to answer choice A. Because answer choice A has correctly 12 times x plus 6 less than or equal to x plus 4 minus 26. You can see that B is incorrect because over here instead of at most it has become greater than or equal to. That means at least stands for greater than or equal to. C is incorrect because they have taken 12 times x plus 4 but x plus 4 is the third odd integer, fourth odd integer. The product of 12 and fourth odd integer we need, not the third as in answer choice C. So that is also wrong. Same way D is also wrong because that has also taken 12 times x plus 4 but x plus 4 is the third odd integer, not the fourth odd integer.